So we're starting with the rims and the wheels. We got both sides right here, and we're about to work on the left side right now. Okay, so this video did not have an intro. I understand that. My apologies. Next time for sure. Hopefully, alright, do not hold me to it. Just in case if I don't want to be in the same situation. But, so today, alright, we're going to be wrapping the mirror caps. It's going to be a good day today because I've been looking forward for this because I'm trying to finish all the pieces that I need to wrap on the car just so I can finally finish it, so I can get that peace of mind, because it's always in the back of my head and it's really like annoying me because I mean it's just the side mirrors and also one side skirt, so one rocker panel and two actually I still got to do some trimming on the car itself though, yeah, because I got to make sure anything that gets lifted at all that I never attended to, the second that I finish, then I will actually need to address that and also fix it, which I will, because I'm going to be like just going over the whole entire car, making sure everything's good, because we're selling my baby. Hey boy, fuck it, might sell her, going to sell her, might, for another day, fuck it, another day. The package finally came for the M3, and this is the secret piece that I ordered without telling anybody. And now you see it. It arrived actually sooner than I expected, and I'm very stoked that it finally came, because now we can finally start working on it. This is what was keeping us from working on the car. Much sooner than I expected to be honest, but it's here and that's what counts. Can't wait to finally install the pieces that I need to install. The rack and pinion from this car, that's one thing we did need. And we also needed this bracket right here. And we needed a rotor and a knuckle. So from all of this, I got everything besides the rotor. I'm gonna send it to AutoZone to see if they can resurface it, but I highly doubt it. Looks too worn. The previous car had 58,000 miles. That's why I was very hopeful, but I guess not. So what I'm doing now is finally wrapping the side mirrors. And the good thing about these E92 chassis is that the mirror caps, they come off. So you don't need to actually wrap it while on the car, nor do you need to actually take off the mirror itself, like the whole piece, the whole unit, to wrap it. So that's the end of the video. The mirror cap came out nice. Comment, subscribe, and also leave a comment if you like. Until the next video, have a great day or night. Peace out.